everyone. I'm doing an unboxing. So I ordered some eyeshadow from someone on YouTube, and her channel is Confidence Makeup and Accessories Retailer. I've been knowing this young lady a long, long time. I don't even remember how long we've been in touch. I think almost the beginning since I've been up here. She also has a channel called Simply LB. She does a lot of hauls. She cooks some fabulous food, and she does a lot of nice things over there. So check out both channels. I'm going to have them listed below. Here's the package that I received from her. And she did a video, and she had this fabulous looking eyeshadow. And I said, I got to get that. So again, it's the Confidence Makeup and Accessories Retailer. I don't have no makeup on. I have a little bit of foundation on. So what I'm going to do is show you the palette, and then I will come back with my face made up. I'm not going to make up my face on camera to save some time. But let me open this package up. Oh, I'm going to read her card here. This is her thank you card that she has. It says, thank you in hashtag confidence. I like that. I also would like to add, her prices are very good. And it says on her card here with the shoe, isn't that beautiful? And it says, I truly appreciate you doing business with me, Queen. Enjoy. It has her name. Isn't that pretty? That is just so girly and fabulous. Ladies, don't you enjoy being a woman? I know I do. I love it. So let me get to this palette. She also gave me this Cucumber Deep Cleansing Peel Off Mask as a bonus to my order. And I just saw her do a review on this. I didn't open up my package as soon as I got it. Had it for a while. And I said, I'm not going to open it. I'm going to do the unboxing and see how I like it and see how you guys like it. Okay. Up. You got a well package. When I ordered this, I got it pretty fast. I know it's a problem with the mail. Matter of fact, I have two packages that one I ordered August 31st, haven't received it. The other one was in September. I forgot the exact date, haven't received it. I get a notification. First of all, I was telling the company off that I didn't get my package, but I see today I'm going to get the package, and today is the 18th, October 18th. And I see I'm supposed to get that package now, so I don't know what happened. So let me get back to this. This is the Vicious Darling. I know I'm silly. The Vicious Darling Pro Luxe palette. Nice and big. I love black and white. I love it. Look, see what I got on? I didn't even intend to have the same colors as this, but isn't this fabulous? Fabulous. Let me get to the goodies in here. Ooh. It's so pretty, y'all. I'm going to have to do it this way so y'all can see it as I open it. Isn't that nice? Really beautiful colors and stuff. So I'm going to get my brushes. I'll be right back, and I'm going to swatch these. Or can I do it with my hand? Let me see. Fingers. I'm going to get the brushes. So some I'm going to swatch with my fingers, and some I'm going to do brushes. Take the top cover off. I'm going to show it to you without the cover too. How pigment. I can't even say the word, y'all. Isn't that gorgeous? That's gorgeous, y'all. You know, and I have a love affair with glitter. I know I'm an old lady, but I'm a product of the 70s, honey. And I like glamour. I like sequins and stuff. As long as stuff is not overdone, I love it. So the first one I'm going to swatch with my hand is going to be this one. And that's called Fashion. Okay. It's like a light aqua color. The next one is going to be, I'm going to do that Pampered. It's called Pampered. And that's like a, this is orangey looking color here. Oh, that's beautiful. I like that. Yes, I like that color. Pigment tint color. Still can't say the word right, y'all. Pigment tint. What word is that, y'all? What word is that? I'm going to try that blue color right there. And that is called Criminal. That's called Criminal. So for that, I'm going to take this brush, honey child. Oh, look at the pigments in this one. Wow. Oh, that's pretty, pretty, pretty. Ooh, LB girl. I love this palette. I had a feeling I was going to really like it. Very nice. I'm going to try one more color. And this is the, oh Lord, I'm smudging this stuff on my palette with my hands. I'm going to do the Kill, which is this color. That green, fabulous sequin color. I'm going to do it right over here. Oh, yes, 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 yes. Ooh. You know, sometimes I don't wear the glitter eyeshadows because, I guess because people don't wear it, but I'm going to start wearing it. I'm going to start wearing it. I told you I like glamour, and the perfect time to do stuff is now. We don't have tomorrow. So if you like something, do it, do it, do it. You see how wonderful these colors are? You might want to go over there to her channel. I think you get in touch with her on Instagram, or I think you leave a message on her email. But I got in touch with her on Instagram. Oh man, that's pretty. So, y'all, you see how nice this is? I'm going to come back with my face made so you can see just how these colors and everything look, my makeup look. LB, but your name is LaTanya. She tells her name, so that's why I'm telling her. And I love this. I love this palette. So I'm coming back and I'm going to be all dolled up, y'all, and show you how this palette, how these colors look on, okay? Be right back. Hey guys, I'm back and here's my finished look. I just had to use that red and that glitter, that red glitter. I just had to. I added a little lashes. These are the Ardell water lashes. I'm going to show that to the box to y'all. So yes, these are the Ardell Professional Aqua lashes. No adhesive needed. Dip and apply. So if you're interested, I may link this so y'all can see this product. I brought this a little by accident at CVS some months ago. And you just dip it in the water and you apply. It's very, very easy. And I think I paid $5 for this. So I don't know yet whether they're reusable, but they work well and it didn't take me no time to apply it. So I'm going to definitely buy some more. Okay. And then you guys remember to get this palette. Get this palette from the Confidence Makeup and Accessories retailer. She's a good person and she has a lot of nice stuff that she shows on her channel that she's selling. Go over there and check it out, okay? I will talk to you guys later. Bye.